Hello everyone, welcome to the Doubtlet. In this tutorial video, we are gonna learn how to find the equation. So here there are three types of equations: parametric equation, Cartesian form and vector form of a line that is joining by 2 points in three-dimensional space. So earlier we have learned about equation of a line from two-dimensional space, means only x and y coordinates are given, but here for every point x, y, z all the coordinates are given, and then we have to find the equation of line in three-dimensional space. So let's suppose this is the three-dimensional space. So we have drawn. So suppose this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis. So if we will draw a line in this, so suppose we will draw a line from here to here. So this point is A, this point is B. Now we need to find the equation of this line. So we can write the coordinates of A as x1, y1, z1, and the coordinates of B as x2, y2, z2. Now we have to decide the direction of this line. So suppose this is the direction of this line from A to B. So to find the equation of line in 3D, we need two things. First is a point on the line. So here 2 points are given on line. We can consider either A or B. It's on our choice. And the second point is we need the direction cosines. We need direction ratios, direction ratios of that line. So to find the direction ratios, what we will do, we will subtract the final coordinate minus initial coordinate. So suppose if we want to find the direction coordinate of this AB, then direction coordinates will be x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, and z2 minus z1. So this how, and we can also name them as L, M, N. So now if we will write the equation of the parametric equation, so first of all we will write the vector form. So vector form is basically the R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda B vector. So A vector is the point on this line, A vector is the point vector, and B vector is the direction vector. Now if we will just consider R as x, y, z, and we know that A is x1, y1, z1, plus lambda into this B vector is the direction vector. So we can write this as LMN, means x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So here I have taken the constant lambda. We can also take the constant as t. So it depends on our choice. So if we need to write the parametric form. So we can write this as xt, yt, zt, because all the variables are in the form of t. Then here we can write this as x1 plus t times x2 minus x1. Then for y coordinate we can write this as y1 plus t times y2 minus y1. And for z coordinate we can write this as z1 plus t times z2 minus z1. So this is the parametric form, and we can also write this in Cartesian symmetric form. So in that we can write this as x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1, and this is z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1 is equal to t. So this is the first type, this is the second type, and this is the third type. Examiner can ask you from any of these types of the equation of line. So this is how we have learned the basic concept of how to find the equation of a line. Now with an example we will learn how to find the equation of line passing through 2 points. So here point A is given and point B is given and the coordinates are given. So it is asking for parametric equation and symmetric equation, means Cartesian form basically. So first of all we will consider because we have earlier discussed, first thing we need a point on line. So point is we can take either A or B. So let's suppose we take A as a point on the line. So this is 1 minus 1 minus 1, and we can consider it as equating x1 y1 z1. Second thing, we need the direction ratio of line of AB. So for that we need to subtract the final point minus initial point, or initial point minus final point. You can do any of this because negative sign does not affect the equation of line. So if you will subtract this, this will become minus 3, this will become 3, and this will become minus 2. So this is the direction ratio. To find the parametric equation, we know that we can write x minus x1. So x1 is 1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is minus 3. Similarly, y minus y1. So y minus of minus 1. So it will become y plus 1 divided by y2 minus y1. It is 3. Then z minus of minus 1. So it will become z plus 1 divided by z2 minus z1. It will become minus 2 is equal to t, where t is the constant. So this is the parametric equation. We can write this as parametric equation. Now we will write the symmetric, this is the symmetric form, and now we can write it in the, this is symmetric equation. Now if we need to write this in parametric form, so we need to find the value of xt in terms of t. So if minus 3 will be multiplied to t, and we can take minus 1 to the right hand side, so it will become 1 minus 3t. Similarly, yt is equal to minus 1 plus 3t. Similarly, zt is equal to, this is minus 1 minus 2t. We can write this whole equation equal to RT. So this is the parametric form. So this is how we have solved this question of finding the equation of line in 3D. So if you want to ask any other doubt, then do mention in the comment box or either visit my website. Go and register yourself and post your doubt there. You will be connected to a live tutor in real time. And I have also drawn a calculator based on this concept, whose link I will provide in the description below. And it will provide you, once you enter the coordinates of 2 points, it will provide you step-by-step solution. So I will suggest you to visit the link in the description and get benefited from it. Thank you very much.